I wanted just to honk, but I didn't have to poop, because his bumper sticker said, honk if you have to poop. A smile came to my face, but I wish I had to poop, so that I could honk at him, 'cause he put the bumper sticker on his car. Honk if you have to poop. That's what it said to do. But I didn't have to poop, so I didn't honk. Maybe next time. If you like that song, there's another one there. If you like them all, subscribe right there. And if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hands in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!